My dear students and parents, by God's grace, my educational videos are available to 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE, plus 2 CBSE, NEET and IIT students in YouTube in the subjects Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Zoology and Botany in English language. We had already discussed the problems to find the molarity, mole fraction, volume percentage, mass percentage. Now we are going to see the problem to find the molality. Calculate the molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid CH3COOH in 75 gram of benzene. What is the meaning of this problem? They have asked to find the molality, not molarity. Note the difference between molarity and molality. This is molality. The solute is 2.5 gram. The name of the solute is ethanoic acid. The formula of the ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. This ethanoic acid is an organic compound. It is the IUPAC name. The common name of the ethanoic acid is acetic acid. Why it is called as acetic acid? If there are two carbon atoms, it is acetic acid. If there is only one carbon atom, the common name is formic acid. Here, what is the solvent? The solvent is the benzene. The mass of the solvent is given as 75 gram. The required data are 1. Mass of the solute ethanoic acid. Then the molar mass of the solute ethanoic acid. The third, the mass of the solvent benzene. In the sum, the mass of the solute ethanoic acid is given as 2.5 gram. The mass of the solvent benzene is provided as 75 gram. It means that 2.5 gram of solute ethanoic acid is dissolved in 75 gram of solvent benzene. The molar mass of the solute is not given in the sum. We can find the molar mass of the solute ethanoic acid from its molecular formula. Now, let us move to the molality, that is to find the molality. It is denoted by the letter small m. The molarity is denoted by the letter capital M, and the molality is denoted by the letter small m. Let us write the formula first. The formula to find the molality equal to number of moles of solute by 1 kilogram mass of solvent. It is advised to the students to see my educational videos defining the mole concept, molarity, molality, mole fraction, volume percentage and mass percentage. It will be helpful to you to understand these all basic concepts. If we know the number of moles of the solute ethanoic acid, we can find the molality. So how to find the number of moles of the solute? So we are going to write the formula to find the number of moles of solute as a next step. The number of moles of solute equal to given mass of the solute by the molar mass of the solute. What is the given mass of the solute? The given mass of the solute is 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid. That is CH3COOH or C2H4O2. So we can substitute that 2.5 gram in the given mass of the solute. So our duty is to find the molar mass of the solute ethanoic acid, that is C2H4O2. How can we find the molar mass of the solute? We can find the molar mass of the solute by adding the atomic masses of all elements contained in a molecule. In this molecule, there are 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. The atomic mass of one carbon atom is 12. Here there are 2 carbon atoms. So 12 into 2 plus, we know that the atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is 1. Here there are 4 hydrogen atoms. So we multiply 1 by 4 plus the atomic mass of one oxygen atom is 16. Here there are 2 oxygen atoms. So we can multiply 16 into 2. 12 into 2, 24. 1 into 4, 4. 16 into 2, 32. If we add all these atomic masses, we get the molar mass, that is molecular weight. It is obtained as 60 gram per mole. What is the molar mass of the solute ethanoic acid? The molar mass of the solute ethanoic acid is 60 gram per mole. So, after finding the molar mass of the solute, we can proceed to find the number of moles of the solute. So, the next step is to find the number of moles of the solute. Before going to find the number of moles of the solute, we can say the meaning of this equation. What is the meaning of this equation? If the mass of the solute is given as 60 gram, the number of mole will be 1. Why? This 60 gram is the molar mass. We know that in 1 molar mass there is 1 mole. In the sum, the mass of the solute is not given as 60 gram. It is given as 2.5 gram. So that we have to calculate the number of mole to the given 2.5 gram of solute ethanoic acid. So that it is written as 260 gram of solute ethanoic acid, the number of mole is 1. Therefore, 2 gram of solute ethanoic acid given. Then the number of moles of the solute equal to 2.5 gram by 60 gram. From this equation I am writing this. If we divide 2.5 by 60, we will get 0.0417 mole. This is the number of moles of the solute. Now in our hands, we are having the detail of number of moles of the solute ethanoic acid. Since we are having the number of moles of the solute, now we can find the molality, that is small m. Finding molality of C2H4O2, that is ethanoic acid. Again writing the formula for molality equal to number of moles of solute by 1 kilogram of solvent. Molarity, we had determined the number of moles of the solute in 1 liter volume. In 1 liter volume of the solution. The difference between the formula of molarity and the molality is, in the molarity, in the denominator, we are having volume. How much volume? 1 liter volume of solution. It is in the formula molarity. In the formula molality, we are having in the denominator 1 kilogram of solvent, not 1 liter volume of solution. So this is the difference between molarity and molality. The meaning of this equation is, if the mass of the solvent is 75 gram, the number of mole dissolved is 0.0417. But in order to find the molality, we have to find the number of moles dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. The 1 kilogram is converted into gram. Why? Because in the sum, the mass of the solvent is given in gram, so that we are converting 1 kilogram into 1000 gram, because we know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Then molality equal to 0.0417 by 75 into 1000, that is 0.556 mole per kg. We can also find the molality in another way. What is that? Molality equal to, that is the number of moles of the solute by 1 kilogram of solvent. What is the number of moles of the solute we have determined? We have determined the number of moles of the solute as 0.0417 mole. So it is written in the numerator. The denominator, the given 75 gram of solvent, that is benzene, is converted into kilogram. If we convert the 75 gram into kilogram, we have to divide the 75 gram by 1000. So in the denominator, we will get the fraction 75 by 2000. We are well known that in the denominator, if the fraction comes, it should be reciprocated and multiplied, so that 75 by 1000 is reciprocated, so that the 1000 has come to the numerator. Then we will get 0.0417 by 75 into 1000 equal to 0.556 mole per kg. This is the another way of finding the molality if we know the number of moles of the solute. My dear students and parents, we have already discussed, in 1 mole there is 1 molar mass. In 1 mole there are 22.4 liters of volume. In 1 mole there are 6.023 into 10 to the power of 10 to 3 number of molecules, atoms, ions, electrons, etc. That is Avogadro number. In 1 mole there are 96,500 coulomb of charge. So in this way, we are expressing 1 mole in terms of mass, in terms of volume, in terms of number of molecules, in terms of charge. This 96,500 coulomb is 1 Faraday. Then we have also discussed what is molarity, what is molality, what is mole fraction, what is volume percentage, and what is mass percentage. My dear students, if this educational video is really beneficial to you, you can share with your classmates. You can also subscribe this channel.